welcome back to our channel. We are just here at Port Elliot. It's about a 15-minute drive from the Victor Harbour City Centre. We're going to go explore the beach and stop at the Port Elliot Bakery, so stay tuned and follow our day ahead. So the kids want a donut and we are going to the Port Elliot Bakery. Do you know what donut you're getting, Almir?
Not yet.
Not yet? What about you, Ari?
I don't know.
Not sure? See when we get there. Kids got donuts and sausage rolls. How's it taste, Joe?
They're good.
Nice and fresh?
Nice and fresh.
They look good. Yummy, Almir? The town of Port Elliot. So we've stopped at the Harbour Masters Reserve and then we're going to go for a walk by the beach. Joe's nice and full, hey?
Nice and full donut, sausage roll.
How's this for scenery? Stunning. Do you guys remember this place?
Yeah, we came here last year.
Yeah, we did. Lots of pine cones. If you have not been to Port Elliot, put it on your to-do list. The views are spectacular, the beaches are stunning, and the views are a must. Just wow, speaks for itself. And also check out the Port Elliot Bakery. It's nice and fresh and everything tastes so good, even the coffee. How lucky are we to call this home?
Look at water.
How beautiful is Australia, guys? Whoa, big waves. How clean is the water? So clean. Heaven on earth. We are back on the path. Not sure what's up this way, but we'll see.
Here, Mum.
Oh, thanks, Dino. Is that for Mum?
Yeah.
Thank you. Does it work? restaurants at Middleton. And they all have their special names. This one's Henley. The roses smell so good. Nice grounds. With a barbecue area overlooking the tennis court. Restaurant. And the reception.
Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching us. Bye.